and we are the Jigsawers.
We have made the Jigsaw puzzle with lights up on completion.
Each puzzle piece consists of two layers. A base layer which has the circuit and the top layer that features the actual image. The two layers are connected with magnets.
The top layer can be easily removed and changed to make new puzzle.
To create a solution, we conducted surveys with teachers and peers to understand their perspective on jigsaw puzzle in education. Many teachers see jigsaw puzzle as a fun way of teaching and learning, enhancing critical thinking and problem solving skills. They had issues with the fact that jigsaw puzzle can be only used once and that there was no local content. Our peers and younger students said that jigsaw puzzles help them learn and improve their concentration.
In our research, we found that the use of jigsaw puzzle in education is well documented. There are even puzzles for first year medical students. However, educational jigsaw puzzles offer limited designs.
Glow in the dark puzzles rely on darkness, not completion. Puzzles for visually impaired lack educational content. To design our prototype, we worked out circuits and designs. We then built the circuit using laser cut MDF boards and conducting tape. Our solution solved it, combines educational value with the joy of completing the puzzle.
We have made 4 designs in our prototype for math, English, science and geography. We also made a design for braille uses. One side of the puzzle is covered with white plastic. This can be easily drawn on for the teacher to give students a new puzzle whenever needed.
If selected for the top 400, we will explore better circuit designs and launch a subscription service.
We have worked on models, circuits and designs. We hope that our product help teachers bring in local flavors in their classes and make their classes engaging.
This is the team Jigsawers signing off.
Thank you.